Good afternoon, students. So today one more problem we solve on non-linear equation of the form f of pq is equal to 0. So the problem is solve p square x square plus q square y square equal to z. Now this is equation 1. Again this equation is not in the standard form. Standard form is it should be in the form of f of pq equal to 0. It should not contain any x and y or z term. It should contain only pq or some constant. Okay, so now what we do, we convert this equation into this form by making some suitable substitutions. Okay, so for that what we do here, we substitute, let capital X equal to log x, capital Y equal to log y, capital Z is equal to 2 root z. Okay, we make these substitutions. So then we find p and q. So let capital P is equal to dou capital Z by dou capital X, and capital Q is equal to dou capital Z by dou capital Y. Okay, so then we find these two quantities. So capital P is nothing but what? Dou Z by dou capital X, dou capital Z by dou capital X. Now therefore, now Z is a function of what? So Z is a function of, we have to differentiate Z with respect to X. So Z is a function of small z. So first what we do, we differentiate Z with respect to small z, and then we differentiate small z with respect to capital X. Okay, so this is equal to, now from this equation we can differentiate this with respect to small z. So what we obtain from this equation, d capital Z by d small z is equal to, this 2 is constant, differentiation of root root z is 1 by 2 root z. So 2 to get cancelled, it becomes 1 by root z, 1 by root z. So this is equal to 1 by root z, then this is dz by d capital X as it is, dz by d capital X. Okay, so now again, therefore this is equal to 2z by dou x, this is 1 by root z. Okay, now again what we do, we differentiate this z with respect to small x, this one, and then differentiate small x with respect to capital X. Okay, because x is a function of small x also, so therefore we apply this technique. So which is equal to 1 by root z. Now this is dou z by dou x. Now dou x by dou x from this equation. Okay, differentiate this with respect to capital X. So differentiating this with respect to capital X, what we get? So here I will write x is equal to log x. Now differentiating dou x by dou x is equal to 1 by x. Okay, dou x by dou x is equal to 1 by x, or dou x by dou x is equal to x. On reversing this, dou x by capital X is equal to small x, small x. So therefore we replace this here, this is dou x by capital X is small x, this is small x. Similarly, we find capital Q. So capital Q is equal to dou Z by dou capital Y. Now again what we do, we apply the same technique here. So first we differentiate dou Z by small z, then small z by dou capital Y, so which is equal to again dou z by dou small z, again this is dou z by dou small y, and then dou small y by dou capital Y. Then again this is equal to dou z by dou z. Already we found that. So dou z by dou z is 1 by root z. This is 1 by root z. Now dou z by dou y. Dou small z by dou y. Dou small z by dou y is equal to how much? So here dou small z by dou y. This is we have to differentiate. Okay. This we have to differentiate. On differentiating this, what we get? So here I will write 2 root z is equal to capital Z. 2 root z is equal to capital Z. Then this gives 2 root z is equal to capital Z. Then this gives, on differentiating, 2 by 2 root z is equal to 2 into, so differentiation of root z is 1 by root z into dou z by dou y. Okay, this is equal to dou z by dou small y. Okay, dou z by dou small y. So this is, from this equation this 2 get cancelled. So from this equation we calculate dou z by dou y. So dou z by dou y is equal to, or we calculate dou z by dou y, which is equal to 2 into q. So which gives dou z by dou y is equal to, we will get this as 1 by root z, 1 by root z, 1 by root z into dou z by dou y. So we substitute this here and we will get 1 by root z into q into y. Q into y. So we obtain p and we obtain q. Okay, now we substitute all the values in the above equation. So substituting all this in this equation, equation 1. Okay, so this is equation 1. This is equation 1. Substitute all p, q in this equation. So we obtain, substituting all, is in 1. We get so p square x square. So this means here this is p x and this is q y. So which is same as, because dou z by dou x is a small p and dou z by dou y is a small q. So this is p x by root z. On squaring this one, so we get p square x square is root z whole square. So means it is z into p square, then plus, then q square y square. So now cross multiply this here. Okay, cross multiplying this here, so it gives q square y square and squaring. So z, root z whole square is z, then q square, which is equal to z. Taking z common and we cancel it, so which implies p square plus q square is equal to 1. Right, now this is of the form f of pq equal to 0. Now we brought the given problem in a standard form, f of pq equal to 0. Okay, so now we apply the method. So we apply the method, put p is equal to put capital P is equal to A and capital P is equal to B. So then we get a square plus b square is equal to 1. From this equation we calculate b square is 1 minus a square, or b is square root of 1 minus a square. Okay, so now let capital Z is equal to a capital X plus b capital Y plus c be the solution. Okay, so therefore now substituting all this, so Z is equal to, now substituting, so b is equal to square root of 1 minus a square, call this equation as 3 in 3, so which gives capital Z is equal to a capital X plus b means square root of 1 minus a square capital Y, then plus c. Okay, this is capital Y. Okay, then plus c. Okay, so after getting the answer, now this answer is in the form of capital X, capital Y and capital Z. So actually the answer should be in the form of small x, small y and small z. Okay, so now we convert, now resubstituting x comma y and capital Z. Okay, so for that what we use again this relation, capital X equal to log x, capital Y is equal to log y and capital Z is equal to 2 root z. So that is capital Z means 2 root small z, then a into capital X means it is log small x, square root of 1 minus a square. Now this is capital Y means log small y, and this is c. Okay, so this is the solution of the given problem. Okay, so this is what reducible to linear form, by making some suitable substitutions. Okay, so with this I conclude this class and continue the next class. Thank you.